Hello, my name is Shikha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make a stylish and functional mini shoulder bag. Here are the measurements of my bag. You can give any shape and size according to your preference, just like I did. You might wondering what I am doing. I just make a patches of bandana to create something new out of one color. And here I create a one body part. The extra fabric. Remember both of the side I trying to give a different shape of patches. For the second body part of bag, I cut the bandanas into 3 pieces and sew them together. Place main body part and top of that lining fabric. Sew them together. Remember that both has to be on the right side and sew the edge. Leave the upper portion of the body part. Now turn out the fabric. And sew only edges which I am showing you on video. Now it's something look like this. Do the same process for second body part. Now I am attaching the main fabric and lining fabric of sides together. Here I am attach body part 1 to with the sides. Same for the body part 2. Now take a zipper and attach only on the sides of the bag. Just like here I am showing you on video. Make sure while you attaching a zipper, your bag is still upside down. Here is the strap which I made. I forgot to record this. Now take out your strap between zipper and bag. Time to attach your strap. Now sew the both of the sides. I hope you enjoyed this DIY tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.